You gotta watch this.
Sometimes God will say wait because he sees what you don't. But God, I want to be with them. Wait. But God, I want the raise. Wait. But God, I want the job. Wait. But God, I want the increase. Wait. But God, I want promotion. Wait. But God, I want a new house. Wait. But God, I want a new car. Wait. Well, God, what am I waiting on? You are waiting to be developed so that when you get what you've been waiting on, you're mature enough to steward it for the long haul. Look at your neighbor, tell your neighbor, wait. I know you don't want to, but wait. Singles, listen to me, wait. Wait. Wait.
For more content just like this, hit like and subscribe.